Hey guys, so in this lecture we are going to dive deep into this add button we have on the right side here. So this add button enables you to add an additional text. So once you click on text, it will direct you to this screen where you type in the message you want, then click done to add it on your post. This text will also has its own properties that you can choose to adjust the same way as we have learned before in the previous lectures. Next, you can add additional images by clicking on Add, then select Image. It will direct you to this panel where you get to choose the channel you want to add your image from. So here I'll choose Find Free Photos, for instance, to choose a photo from the Free Photos library. I'll select this one, for instance. Once added, the design will split to 2 grids, and the new image will take the same image properties and settings as the previous one. Yet, you can definitely change this by selecting the new image and change its settings according to your preference. So it doesn't have to look exactly the same as the old one. You can, for instance, choose a different layout. I'm just showing you an example and giving you some ideas of what you can do. So this is how you can add additional text and image. Next, we have 2 extra elements that you can choose to add if you want to. These elements are icons and logos. So now when you click on Add Icon, you get a list of icons and a search field that you can use to search for the icon you want to add. So for example, I'll search for mobile. Click on the icon you want to be added to your post. Now on the left side, you get to see the added icon. Drag any of these points to resize it. You also can drag to reposition it. You can also click here to replace this icon, and you can click here to duplicate it. You can also delete it. And here you have an info button. On the right side in the Icon tab panel, you can change the icon's opacity, order, flip it horizontally or vertically, or replace the icon with another one. Next, you have the Color tab where you can change the icon's color. Perfect, so far so good. The next thing we have in the Add feature is adding logo, but this feature is for premium accounts only. So to add your logo, simply click on Add New Logo to upload your logo. I have previously uploaded my logo, that's why I already have it here. But in your case, if you have never uploaded your logo, you will be having a button called Add New Logo that you click to upload your logo from your computer. Once you upload it, it will be considered as your primary logo that you can click to be added on your post design. And also when selecting a logo on the left side, you can also drag it to reposition it anywhere you want. Drag this arrow to rotate it. And you can also drag any of these 4 points to scale it. Then you can click here to duplicate it, or click here to remove it. On the right side, you can set its opacity and order. And you can also choose to add more logos. Perfect. So now you know what this add button can do. Now let's wrap up the main points that we have covered in this lecture. So in this lecture, we have learned how to add additional text, how to add additional images, how to add icons, and how to add your logo. And as we mentioned, this feature is for premium accounts only. I hope you're enjoying so far. Please, if you do have any question or if anything that is unclear to you, let me know by posting your question on the discussion board and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and looking forward to seeing you next lecture.